Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a Mercedes GLA 35. It's an AMG model, and this particular model has the Aerodynamics package. So it's got this big wing in the back here, and then I'll show you when I get up to the front. It's got an additional spoiler. So if you have the regular GLA 35 or 45, it will not fit that. Or anyway, here's going up to the front. And this model, again, it's the Aerodynamics package, so whether the GLA 35 or 45, it has a lower spoiler, which has two fasteners. So this is a no drill. The regular GLA 35 or 45, I'm not even sure they have fasteners. So if you have either of those models, this bracket will not work.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to remove these two center screws here. They are a T15 Torx. So we're going to go ahead and take our socket and spin those out. We're going to take the screw, put it through the base, and start it back in. Kind of hard to see it. There we go. And it snugs up pretty good there. There you go. Then when you're all done, pull the pull, or start it, pull the pull pin, get it by it, and slide it till it clicks into place.
Yep, there's your side angle. And then straight on, and again, once again, if you do not have the Aerodynamics package, you will not have that lower spoiler. It'll be, and that's why there's fasteners there. And that's, put your license plate on the front of the front plate and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.